In this video, I'll show you how to book a meeting on Calendly. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now make sure you have the Calendly app installed on your device. And if someone tells you to book a meeting for two of you to talk, what you need to do, open your Calendly, click on this plus icon. You're going to be able to see book a meeting, so click on it. So at first, you need to select your meeting, right? So I'm going to just click on it. So what you need to do, you need to select a preferred date that is going to be good for you. So you can select any of them. That is your time and your date from this preferred section. Then go up, you're going to be able to change this event name if you want. So you can come on here, you can just type in, let me say new one. So click on save. So whatever you want it to be, you can be able to set it if you want. Then the duration, you can make it 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour. You can be able to choose how many minutes you want from an option. It can be, let me say, 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the meeting is going to end. So location, you're going to be able to select your own location. Then the host can be able to come on here and add up your own host if you love to do this. So yeah, this is how you can do this. So once you are done, click on this. Then once you are done, click on this. Okay, like once you are done with the dates, you can be able to go back and get the link to send to the person if you want. So you're going to be able to see copy link. So if you copy the link, you'll be able to share it with the person. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.